Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see all about init.py file in Python and its practical implementation. Let's take a scenario where you have a folder which has several modules of your project and your master program is in a different folder which needs to reference these modules. And you have to import all these modules which are in a different folder to the master program. You can implement this using init.py file in Python. Init.py file is used to mark a folder as a Python package. Init.py file runs when the package is first imported. Let's see this practically using a demo. Let's assume we have a calculator which does only addition and subtraction. I have created separate modules to perform addition and subtraction inside my math operations folder. If you see the math operations folder, I have addition file and subtraction file. In each file, I have declared a class and a function which accepts two arguments and returns the sum. My class name is addition class and my function is add function. Similarly, I have my subtract file which has a class subtract and subtract function which accepts two arguments and returns the subtraction result of both the arguments. And I have a master folder called tutorials which has my master program called calc. In this, I am importing the math operations folder and accepting the first number and the second number and passing the first number and the second number to the addition function as well as to the subtraction function. Let me run this. I'm providing my first number and my second number. I got an attribute error saying that math operations folder doesn't have the attribute addition class. Though our program refers to the math operations folder, it is not referring to the files which are inside this folder. In order to solve this, we can add an init.py file in this folder and then we can rerun this program. Now we have our init.py file which has a reference to all the files that are present in this folder. Now let me rerun this program again. My first number is 5 and my second number is 7. I got the result of both addition and subtraction. Since we are importing math operations folder as a package, the init.py file inside the math operations folder is invoked first and all the files inside math operations folder is invoked and it is referenced in the master program. I hope you understood the use case of init.py file in Python. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.